First thing you do when you disassemble it is to take the basket off and take the seat off. Next thing you do is take the cowl off, and that just Velcros on, so that comes off really easy. And then you're going to take the batteries out because it is too heavy to put together without the batteries pulled out. I took it out and laced it back through for you so that you wouldn't lose the clasp. But it's not under the handles of the batteries anymore. You'll need to put it back under there for the most safety. Now that you have the batteries exposed, disconnecting them is easy. You literally just pull up on these connectors. White to white, black to black, one for each battery. And then you can lift the batteries off. They just lift right off. They're held in by weight and that strap. And they are nearly disassembled. You can lower the tiller handle by loosening this knob and then gently lowering this down so that it doesn't go crashing down and break anything. The knob is nice and loose. Now the tiller handle goes down. You can tighten the knob back up so that it doesn't flop around on you, which I highly recommend. This front section is pretty heavy with the batteries in it. It is literally all I can do to pick this up with the batteries in it and load it in a car. So take the batteries out, it makes it a lot easier. Next step, there's a little handle under here. You depress that handle and lift this up, and the back end and the front end separate. It's as simple as that. When you want to put it back together, you lift this up and you put those hooks over the bar and then set it down, and you should have a nice consistent body seam, and that means you've got it connected right. And it's as sturdy as can be now.